France's Foreign Minister, Jean-Yves Le Drian, has said that there is Turkish military involvement which risks internationalization of this conflict. Is he wrong about that?
Yes, he is wrong about that. Turkish military involvement is another fake news. There is no military involvement of Turkey. We are using Turkish military equipment, this is true, but we are using military equipment of Russia, military equipment of Israel, military equipment of other countries. And we buy this military equipment, unlike Armenia, which gets it free of charge. Turkey is in no way, other than political, is present in the process. There are no Turkish forces. Turkish F-16, they are here, but they have been left here after the joint military training. By the way, last year we had 10 joint military training with Turkey, including Air Force. This year, due to pandemic, we had only 2, and it happened that just after the military training, this outbreak happened. So we decided to keep F-16 on the ground, and they're on the ground. They are not in the air.
How many Turkish drones are you deploying?
We have enough in order to achieve our targets. I think that you can understand me that this is information which I prefer not to disclose.
But are they making the difference in this conflict for you?
Of course, they are very modern, sophisticated weapons. And I can tell you, only by the drones which we acquired from Turkey, we destroyed Armenian military equipment worth $1 billion, only by the drones. And of course, we are using other drones, as you know, from other sources. We are using artillery, we are using broad range of military equipment, but only the drones made a damage to Armenia worth $1 billion, and that's a serious damage for them. I wonder where did they get so much money to buy all this equipment? Probably they got them free of charge.